All right, so I want to do a quick little day recap. Um, so yeah, coming into the market, honestly didn't expect anything. We just consolidated over the night. Like here we got two relative equal lows, one a bit lower. Here, here also, um, 4 hour. I mean, we're kind of delivering out of the fair value gap. Um, right. So honestly didn't expect anything. So I decided to wait for 10 a.m. We get this move up, down, then 10 a.m. opens and leaves no wick behind, like 2 points. That's not much. So what was the blame? I was watching the 5 minute structure. We have this order block on the 4 minute is gonna load. I'm not sure. 3 minute has a fair value gap here. 2 minute, not really anything. 1 minute, 1 minute fair value gap here. So what happens is we go up. Also, OT of this from this rejection block, going out of the fair value gap, sweeping this liquidity kind of. So I did have limits right here. Um, I don't remember. Honestly, I probably would have targeted 10 a.m. Q open. Um, that would have been a bit greedy. Either way, we go in and we instantly like go lower, like aggressively. This would have been already break even and it would have been stopped. But TraderVate didn't load because it didn't have the TraderVate 2 trading view add-on turned on. So it didn't trade us. But still, I'm kind of short biased because like right now we're forming accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the downside. So my draw liquidity is at 10 a.m. Q open. What happens here? Fair value gap, high inside of fair value gap, sweep it, turtle sweep it, form a rejection block. We're going for something like this. 11 RR. Also OTE, like I know this is not as significant. OTE of this also aligns. Stop loss here, 5 point stop, 61.2 profit. Would have ran straight to my TP and draw liquidity. Now what happens here is we just continue going higher. Um, yo, but what's weird is now we have these relative equal lows. We don't really reject anything. So I would hope to be bearish. I kind of would have been bearish here. But either way, that's like my draw liquidity hit. 4 hour power 3 kind of played out. I don't think that anything happened after. I mean, that's yeah, 40 point stop, not really something I would take. Alright, then 14:00 opens. Now, um, As you can see, rejection block, we're trading away from it. I would be bearish, so that's why I'm not looking for longs here, because we manipulated up, and now I'm expecting a 4-hour power 3 delivery to the downside. Combined with a daily open, high, low, close, so it would make sense to go lower now. So right here, what do we have? Fib 14 o'clock open is a discount, doesn't really fit the criteria. What happens here? We go into here. Also before this, we hit a premium fair value gap. So why do the bearish buys? Equal lows, these lows. Take them out, form a volume imbalance. What do we have here? Order block. Alright, so we're sweeping this liquidity into a 1 minute projection block. Also forming this. Alright, so now we formed bullish close. We draw. What do we have? OTE basically aligns with the 14 Q open with the order block. That's just my model. Short here at the high, 10-point stop. Could have targeted this. But honestly, these relative equal lows could have easily went for one of them. But I would go for this, or if you don't want to lock in profits, even 0.79. So set a limit. We tap it. Stop loss goes here. Take profit goes here. And just see it play out instantly. Easy as that. Um, Nothing really happens after that. Um, yeah, that is pretty much it. Um, so what am I expecting tomorrow? Um, yo, my bad. I would expect us to, daily closed bullish. So potential path would be higher and then like reverse lower. It's like, I mean, these relative equal lows combined with this devil's mark that we just formed right now, could see something like this, potentially down to these lows. I mean, that would only make sense. Um, yeah, potentially going to be bearish tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the recap. Daily power 3, accumulation, manipulation, potentially distribution tomorrow. So yeah, I'm out.